Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to automatically delete your YouTube watch history. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on settings icon at the top right corner. Then tap on manage all history. Now you can view all the videos that you have watched on YouTube. If you want to automatically delete your YouTube watch history, then tap on auto delete option from here. After that, tap on drop down arrow under auto delete activity under done. Now select how long you want YouTube to keep your watch history before deleting it automatically. So here I will select 3 months. After selecting, tap on next. Then tap on confirm. Now your YouTube watch history will be deleted automatically after 3 months. So this is how you can enable the auto delete setting for your YouTube watch history. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.